Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Toyota Tundra engine. First, always prioritize safety. Disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical issues. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you start. This prevents burns and allows cleaning products to work effectively. Finally, cover any sensitive electrical components, like the alternator or fuse box, with plastic bags to protect them from water. Once safety measures are in place, begin by removing any loose debris, like leaves or dirt, from the engine bay. A shop vacuum or compressed air works well for this. Next, apply a quality engine degreaser to all the greasy and dirty areas. Make sure to follow the product's instructions carefully. Let the degreaser sit for the recommended 5 to 10 minutes, allowing it to break down the grime effectively. Now it's time to rinse. Use a low-pressure water stream, like from a garden hose, to gently wash away the degreaser and loosen dirt. Be careful to avoid spraying water directly onto sensitive electrical connections or air intakes. After rinsing, allow the engine to air dry completely. You can speed up this process by using a leaf blower or compressed air to remove excess water from crevices and surfaces. For the final touches, apply an engine dressing to all plastic and rubber components. This will protect them from cracking and give your engine bay a fresh, clean look. Once you are absolutely certain the engine is completely dry, carefully reconnect the negative battery cable. Double-check all connections. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.